count number of machine and vehicle. In Japanese, they use the unit of dai to count for machine and vehicle. And as you see in the picture, we will have printer, computer, motorbike, bicycle, and car. And for the thing like this, in Japanese, they use the unit of dai to count. Let's see some example of counting. 1台 1台 2台 2台 If you say in Japanese 1台 with a car, that means one car 1台 If you use with a motorbike, it means one motorbike 2台 If used with a computer, it means two computers, something like this. And now we are going to learn counting by using the unit of dai. 3台 3台 4台 4台 5台 5台 6台 6台 7台 7台 8台 8台 9台 9台 10台 10台 And when you want to make the question, you can say Nan Dai, Nan Dai. And when you want to say in the polite form, you could say Nan Dai desu ka, Nan Dai desu ka, which means how many. And in this sentence, if you use Nan Dai with a car, it might mean how many car. If you use Nan Dai with a computer, it means how many computers. Something like this. Now let's see some example of how to use the unit of dai to count for machine and vehicle in Japanese. The first example, 田中さんは2台の車を持ってます。田中さんは2台の車を持ってます。Which means 田中さん has two cars. 田中さん has two cars. The second example. この部屋は何台のパソコンがありますか？この部屋は何台のパソコンがありますか？ Which means how many computers are there in this room? How many computers are there in this room? And for the first sentence, I would like you to notice that we have 2台の車. And 2台 we used to count for a car, right? 車 that means car in English. So when we use 2台の車 that means two cars. And for the second sentence, we noted that 何台のパソコン. 何台のパソコン that means how many computers. パソコン translate to English, it means computer. So when we use the 何台 with パソコン, that means how many computers.